I'm recording.
I cut my hair.
You didn't cut your hair, you shaved it. Shaved your head.
I shaved my head. I shaved my head.
I think it looks pretty cool.
You want to see a full 360?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And then what we do is like this. You just go like.
What do you want though? Go up your head.
No, bro. Then I'll go bald.
You're not going up.
Yes, I am.
You're not going up your head.
That's all the way. Hey, this actually don't look that bad. Hold up.
Why are you laughing?
Because it's not that bad.
If you want to do your like whole head.
You don't even look like
my whole head? I mean, how long is it?
Like just shave your whole head before you use it.
Mm-hmm.
Did you do that?
Yeah. So this is just, you know, a little sneak peek.
I'm so scared. I'm scared. But where's the clipper oil?
I think I need a
Re what? Re what? Re zero. I want to shave it all. Like, let's just shave it all off.
Casey is making me overthink it.
No.
It's not that bad. Like, look at this side. Honestly, tell me if this side.
Dope, dog. You want to do me next?
Like, it looks that. Does it look bad? Does it look bad? Like, be honest.
I don't know. I gotta get closer. I can't see.
Just shave your head. Hey, that actually don't look bad.
No?
Stay still.
Dude, should I just FaceTime someone real quick? Like this.
We're recording him without his consent.
Bruh. Bruh. What? He's cutting his Yo. That's real. Yo, Lane, save a little piece for me. Save a little piece for me.
Huh?
He said save a little piece for Casey.
Save a piece for me, bro.
Oh, you said him.
Right, save like one little long area where I can just cut it off.
You like it?
Yay, it looks good, bro. It looks good.
Turn
Like
it up.
low-key?
Turn it up.
You look good. Yo, you look good.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, good luck.
Literally just shave it. It looks so much better. Yeah.
Dude, actually, the back kind of seems bad. Not that bad.
Let's see the back. Move your hand. Yeah. Just shave it.
Now it's a rounded, straight pipe going right in your room. So, wow. Never mind.
Just cut it all. Just cut this and just shave it.
I'm just gonna shave it. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready. I don't know what to say. I'm like speechless. I don't think I shaved, you know, I don't think I think you need different blades. Actually, just shave it. Just get all the long hair off. Can I do it?
You want it?
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, kind of like it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sick and tired of everything.
Oh, and they don't even look like you.
Why you? Oh shit. Oh shit. No, you didn't. Oh,
Yes.
shoot.